right, time now for the In-Wheel Time Car Clinic, brought to you by Konrad DeLong, and he has put together something different in the car clinic today.
Well, you told me to stop with the fluids and do something different, so we're going to do something a little different today.
Okay, do it.
And this is going to be a challenge to any of our listeners.
Or me.
If you can think of more, get on our Facebook page and add to it. Because today we're going to talk about cars named after places. And we're going to start with...
Oh, what?
You should have a video. We're going to start with...
there he is.
Chevrolet Colorado.
Hold on, let me get it.
Is one of them. And we're just going to kind of blow through these. One of Jeff's favorite cars, the Ford Capri.
Well, what do you, Capri? Capri.
Capri.
I learned how to drive
France.
a stick on a Capri.
Okay.
Toyota Tacoma.
Okay, we get that.
I've been there.
The Volvo Amazon.
Wait just a minute. Let's catch up here. There's
Toyota
the Tacoma.
Tacoma.
Where is Tacoma?
Tacoma, Washington.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a city, yeah.
Okay. The Volvo Amazon. That's a jungle in Brazil.
Oh, I was thinking Volvo. I was thinking Volvo.
Ford Torino Talladega is after the Volvo.
I thought you were going to show.
I like that. That's cool.
Show
there.
a picture of Talladega.
The Alfa Romeo Montreal, which I thought was kind of a cool car. Kind of a different car. You don't see very many of
A
them.
Montreal.
Like plastic
A
headlights.
Hyundai Santa Fe.
Santa Fe, New Mexico. Yeah, uh-huh.
The Chevrolet Malibu. Let's see. Come on, there we go. Chevy Malibu. And I had one that color, but a two-door post. The Ferrari 550 Maranello. Maranello, Italy.
Car.
The Dodge Dakota.
The state.
The Ferrari California, which is actually Ferrari's lowest price car, if there is such a thing. The Chrysler New Yorker. The BMW Bavaria, a place in
That'd
Germany.
be Bavaria.
The Dodge Aspen.
That's not a Dodge.
Oh,
It's a Chevrolet.
that's a Chevy Tahoe. The Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Pontiac Bonneville.
That's cool.
Chrysler Pacifica. Pacifica is a town in California.
I didn't know that.
It's also
Alfa Romeo Milano.
That's ugly.
That's not the toenail.
Yeah.
Dodge Durango. Some of the others would be a GMC Yukon. Don just mentioned the
What
GMC
is that?
Denali. That's the Dodge Aspen.
Oh.
I remember the Aspen.
It was actually, there was a version of it that was called a Roadrunner, but for some reason I
Yeah.
don't see one out at Hemi Hideout.
Oh.
The Aspen.
No,
The Roadrunner.
Roadrunner Aspen.
Roadrunner.
Yeah.
GMC
Decals.
Sierra would be another, and I'll challenge anybody that listens, get on and add some additional ones on our Facebook page. That's about 22, 23 of them that I could think of. I'm sure somebody can think of more than that, but so
Well, you don't hear of the BMW Bavaria.
no, a very unique little car. Yeah.
Well, not only that, but I mean now it's the BMW M37-4232-123.
Doodah.
I don't understand why they've gone in this direction of alphanumeric stuff.
They're trying to build some intelligence into the name of it so that they can say, oh, it's a BMW ABCD, like you're saying. Well, that means it's a blah, 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 blah. That's all it is.
funny
all
because-
of those numbers mean something. The E is the chassis. The numbers after it tend to talk about the engine size.
Yeah, it's
the
some sort
letters
of
after it, like on a
intelligence of
Mercedes,
some
an
sort.
SEL or an SL, indicate the body style. If a BMW ends in an I, it means it's fuel injected. If it ends in an L, it means it's a lightweight vehicle.
If it ends in an R,
or a
it's been
loser.
recalled.
It's been they've all been recalled.
Speaking